Do you stink or have BO and didn't used to have BO, or perhaps this is something new in your life? Because that's the case for me and lots of people out there. As a self-proclaimed stinky person who didn't have BO until I had kids and now I smell like an onion, here's what works for me. Anytime I'm feeling extra stinky, I switch to the Nala Extra Strength Sandalwood and Bergamot deodorant. It keeps me protected during the day. When I shower, I use this green tea infused cognac sponge from Nala Care. It's $10, lasts me a couple months. Really get in there. You can use it on its own, but I put some shower gel on there. It helps to exfoliate the skin, helps with any product buildup, gives it a nice clean. It's very gentle and really good for blood flow under your arms as well. And finally, and this is key, I use a charcoal-based detox deodorant while I sleep. The charcoal is incredibly absorbent. So it'll just pull out any extra gunk you got going on. Try it.